Hi, my name is Michelle Jackson and I want to show my intermediate class how to do pivots. We're going to start off with the right pivot. Start with your dog in heel position. I'm going to go on my right heel and then my left foot is going to take a step to the right. Lily, look. Good girl. Ready? Heel. Sit. Yes. Good girl. Now to do the left pivot, my dog needs to come back and get out of the way. Ready? Lily, get back. Get back. Not very pretty, so let's try it again. Stay. Ready? Lily, heel. Sit. Good girl. Lily, get back. Good girl. Get back a little bit more. Get back. Get back. Good girl. Okay, so let's show you how I teach that left pivot. Heel. Okay, treat goes from the nose and then down and around. Get back. Get back. So if you get that head turning, look what happens to the bottom. It goes in position so that the dog is in heel position again. So that's how we want to do that left pivot. Good luck.